Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to add widgets to home screen, lock screen or today view. Firstly, add widgets to home screen. Press and hold the widget or an empty area on the screen. Then tap Edit in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap Add Widget and select the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Some apps have widget options for different functions and different sizes. Swipe left to select the different one. Next, tap Add Widget. Now you can change their size directly on the home screen just by dragging the corner. You can also change the widget place. Tap Done. Next, add widget on lock screen. Press and hold the lock screen. Here, tap Customize option. Select lock screen. Then tap Add Widgets. Now choose the widget you want to add. Tap the Close button. Tap Done on your lock screen. Tap your lock screen. Next, add widgets on Today view. Swipe right from your home screen. Press and hold an empty area. Tap Edit. Tap Add Widget. Select one you want to add. You can swipe to select a different widget option. Tap Add Widget. You can also resize it. Tap Done. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.